rice.
Even the soup we
Rice.
feel is like water we are drinking, which has so much high calorie.
Oh.
So you conceived after how long then, this baby?
Sorry?
You conceived this after how many days or after the first miscarriage? This baby, this pregnancy, how much difference between them?
6 months.
Only? Okay, good. Naturally you conceived again?
Yeah. After
Married
6
for how
months.
long?
3 years we're married.
Your baby is sleeping, Atma?
I guess so.
Hmm.
But earlier, like 1 hour ago, keeps on kicking.
See? Or sleeping upside down. You can see the legs.
Where's the head? No.
Head is down. These are legs. So if I'm showing you legs here, so of course we can see the.
Oh yeah, no.
These are legs. See, I'm showing you the legs. I just thought I'm saying head. No, these are legs.
This baby always wants summer, so I can feel the kicks. Right
You have
there.
started to feel? Very
Mm.
good.
Especially after eating.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Very nice. This is the head, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the name and number of the girl who does laser hair from the reception? So many days I want to know.
Which patient? Which?
No, staff who will do laser hair. Who's doing laser?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you ask for me?
Reception, na?
Yeah, her name and her number. Did you see baby yawning? Nothing? This over here you can see.
Yeah.
big mouth open and close.
They know how to yawn now.
They yawn
Yeah.
and they drink. Yeah, they do.
They also drink.
Yeah, they drink. And they make urine and they pee.
But all of those is just being filtered in the placenta.
Yeah. That is good for that.
A blogger, yeah.
Yeah, you feeling it?
Yes. But I keep it because after this,
Yes,
I
of
will
course.
just see after this.
Yeah. My machine writes and writes on. See?
Having a problem with the keypad.
Yeah, yeah. You work somewhere out
Before in DIP, so we just shifted to TICOM.
there? Okay. Ticom is near Dubai Land. I have not been to Ticom.
Just near this metro station, Dubai Internet. A
Far
few
away,
minutes.
yeah? They're far away, are they? Close. Where? Like, tell me some other place. I'm not gone to these places also. Internet
There's
also.
a Sharaf DG metro station.
that
Barsha.
Berkshire, yeah?
Barsha.
So you work also there, live also there. Better, no?
Too many towers so a bit different from VIP. VIP a lots of sands.
There has lots of sense.
Yeah,
Dubai
warehouses.
investment.
Dubai investment. One.
It's very far away.
Correct.
And near the expo.
Yes.
You were
yes.
living there?
And then they're starting almost. They started already. Like
What?
2 years ago.
What is started?
This expo rails.
Yeah.
It's been there for 2 years, I guess.
The
Supposed to be
metro.
20. Yeah,
Metro?
supposed to be 2020.
Yeah. Metro started or no?
Yeah,
Started?
they're doing it. No, I mean, they're testing. Actually, they made another transport rails
Yeah.
around VIP only. They're testing, but not yet operational.
And
But maybe next year it will be.
so that was the reason you left and came?
No, you know, just management decision. So we have another office
Okay,
in
your
Alright.
office moved.
Yes.
You're on the, but you were also living there.
But we're just living around here.
Around
Not
here.
cool, not
You
cool.
were working there.
Not
Oh my
cool,
God.
yeah.
They were giving you transport?
Yes. Yes.
It will take 1 hour only, yeah?
45 minutes.
That's okay, no?
Mm-hmm.
If they are giving you transport.
Yes, because in the public transportation, it's gonna be tiring. It's too much tiring.
So they moved now they are closed, yeah?
Yes.
They left DIP. Because DIP also I see like lots of houses they are making there.
Yes, residential. There's also lots of school now.
Yeah.
They're trying to make it like
Another
conducive for
city, no?
residential. Yes, yes.
See how much your baby is yawning today.
Oh, it's
Let's see it from my tea.
Yeah, I informed you.
Then
After 3, no? 1 o'clock, no?
Yes.
After 3, no?
if you want that I can finish at 10 also. Because his tea is too about 10 times. So I can finish at 10 and not 10.
After no finish means no other thing.
Which one came in?
After no the name, you remember?
Appointment statement.
Yeah, appointment written, I'm here.
Let me ask him what drink water. Nicely. He's a man not less than 8.
ഒന്നും ഇവിടെ ആരെയും കിട്ടിയില്ല ഞാൻ മീഡിയയിലേക്ക് വെച്ചിട്ട് പോട്ടെ ഒന്നും ആയിരുന്നു പീഡിയാട്രിക്കിലേക്ക് പേഷ്യന്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് പോകാൻ പറ്റും. വിഷയമില്ല, ജസ്റ്റിന് തന്നെയായിരുന്നു.
So now but you're still living here now, I think?
Yeah, we're moved to
ഞാനിപ്പോ അവിടെ പോയി
Only the office is
ജസ്റ്റിന്
moving.
കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല, അവിടെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ല എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റിനോട് ഇപ്പൊ ചോദിച്ചപ്പോ
Maybe
ഇപ്പൊ
they want to
പേഷ്യന്റ്
see
അവിടെ
more petrol.
പിന്നെ നിലവിൽ ആരും
We have two offices, one in the NP and one in Ireland. So only our division was moved there, shifted.
പോട്ടെ ഞാൻ
A very long time we're in the IP.
ഏത്
Yeah.
അബ്ഡോമിനോ?
So we're
So it is
shifted.
fully developed
അബ്ഡോമിന്
DIP.
ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കുവല്ലോ, അബ്ഡോമിന്റെ ബ്ലാഡർ വേണ്ടേ?
DIP is full?
നോക്കട്ടെ, ഞാൻ പറ്റുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ തന്നെ എടുത്തിട്ട് പോവാം. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ബ്ലാഡർ ആയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ എടുത്തിട്ട് പോവാം. ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ പീരിയോഡിക് ഓൾറെഡി പറഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു. നോക്കട്ടെ, പറ്റുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ തന്നെ എടുത്തിട്ട് പോവാം. പിന്നെ
My hand will be sleeping on, we cannot see this one.
ഓക്കേ. ജസ്റ്റ് തിരക്കാം. ആ, ഒരു 10 മിനിറ്റ് നടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓക്കേ, 7 മണിയായില്ല, ഞാൻ പോവാണ്.
Left, you can see. Just scan this one once. I just write it in the notes, so next time if you come, you could see it. Very difficult to trace now, especially also this shadow comes in. Leslie, ask the gentleman to drink 8 glasses of water.
Drink?
Drink 8 glasses of water, no?
Already taken water.
Just now, half hour before.
And just take, otherwise he will wait.
He came just now, no?
He can wait also, if he feel like go washroom.
Yeah,
want
take
it.
them.